Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to start arithmetical progression for class 11th. 10th में arithmetical progressions के मेरे कई सारे वीडियोस हैं. That is up to class 10th CBSE NCERT syllabus. Now I am going to start for class 11th. Something different, some improved way of arithmetical progressions. In class 10th what we have read, हमने क्या पढ़ा था? हमने ये पढ़ा था कि अर्थमेटिकल सीरीज एक सीक्वेंस ऑफ द नंबर्स होता है. उस सीरीज में फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ सीरीज मेंबर्स होते हैं, टर्म्स होती हैं, और सेकंड का फर्स्ट से डिफरेंस, सेकंड टर्म का फर्स्ट से डिफरेंस, थर्ड का सेकंड से डिफरेंस, फोर्थ का थर्ड से डिफरेंस, ये कॉमन होता है, एक ही होता है और उसको कॉमन डिफरेंस कहते हैं. और nth टर्म एक फॉर्मूले से रिप्रेजेंट की जा सकती है, दैट इज arithmetical series में a n can be represented by the formula a plus n minus 1 into d, where d is the common difference, that is second minus first equal to third minus second equal to fourth minus third, and so on so on. डिफरेंस ऑफ द टर्म, सेकंड टर्म डिफरेंस, फर्स्ट टर्म, ये होता है. और एक होता है समरी, एस एन, समरी अप टू द nth टर्म. इट मींस a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to an. That can be written by the formula is equal to n by 2 into 2 times a plus n minus 1 into d. That is well known to you all people. सबको बहुत अच्छी तरह इस बात का पता है. Now I am going to study something new. In our, this is up to class 10th. Now class 11th. Okay. Some new properties of the arithmetical series. किसी भी arithmetical series में पहली प्रॉपर्टी ये है कि उस प्रॉपर्टी सीरीज के कोई भी मेंबर्स, इंडिविजुअल मेंबर्स में से अगर एक कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड या सब्सट्रैक्ट कर दें, तो जो नई सीरीज मिलेगी दैट विल बी द सीरीज विद द सेम कॉमन डिफरेंस एज ऑफ द ओल्ड वन. यानी कि अगर सपोजिंग एक हमारे पास सीरीज है, फर्स्ट वी आर हैविंग अ सीरीज, द मेंबर ऑफ a plus d, this is first member, this is second, then a plus 2d is the third member of the series, and a plus 3d is the fourth member of the series, and so on so on so on. एक और लिख लेते हैं, a plus 4d is the fifth member of the series, and so on so on. Okay, now this is an arithmetical series. Yes, because the difference between 2 and second and the first is d. Third and second is d, because this is 2d, this is d. a get cancelled. Here 3d is a 2d. a get cancelled. If it fourth and the third connect, so you will get simple d. It means common difference is d. Okay. Now, if we add individually in this term b, in this also b, this will be added by b, this will be added by b, and this will be added by b, and so on so on. तो न्यू सीरीज विल बी, जो नई सीरीज होगी, दिस विल बी a प्लस b. ओके, फर्स्ट मेंबर. सेकंड हो जाएगी a प्लस d प्लस b, दिस इज सेकंड मेंबर. नाउ थर्ड मेंबर हो जाएगी, दिस इज a प्लस 2d प्लस b, दिस इज थर्ड मेंबर. Fourth member is a plus 3d or plus b. This is fourth member. Okay, and so on so on. Now, second minus first. This is a plus d plus b minus a plus b. We'll get only simple d. Okay. Now, third minus second. New वाली की third. This a plus 2d plus b minus a plus d plus b, it means only 2d will be get d. It means now further fourth minus third. A plus 3D plus B minus A plus 2D minus B, it means we will simply get D. It means जो new series है that will be a series with the same common difference as of the old one. Okay, same is the case if we subtract. This is for the new series after adding B individually in each term. This B is added individually in each term. ठीक है? Now, if we subtract, same will happen. You will see yourself. Huh? This is the first law. Second law, in the case of multiplications and division, that is somewhat different. वो कुछ अलग है. क्या होगा उस केस में? अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं? अब हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. Now, in the case of multiplication, individually this was the old series. इसको हम k से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. सपोज लेट्स सपोज बाय k से मल्टीप्लाई. तो फर्स्ट विल बिकम ak, सेकंड नंबर a plus d into k, third will be a plus 2d into k, and fourth will be a, or first, second, third, fourth will be a plus 3d into k, and so on, so on, so on, so on. This will be ak, and this is ak minus k dk plus dk. Okay, this is ak plus 3dk. This is ak plus this 2dk, sorry, 3dk, and so on, so on, so on. Correct? Now, the common difference, we have to calculate out the common difference. That will be the new series of an arithmetical progressions with the common difference of k times d. This is the theory, k times d. We will get the new series after multiplying each individual term by k with the common difference of k times d. देखिए इसको सेकंड को फर्स्ट में से घटाइए. सेकंड माइनस फर्स्ट, सेकंड माइनस फर्स्ट, तो एक गेट कैंसिल, विल गेट dk. ठीक है? नो, थर्ड माइनस सेकंड, थर्ड दिस ak minus 2dk, ak plus 2dk minus ak plus dk, then further we will get dk. Same is the case with the fourth minus third, ak plus 3dk minus ak minus 2dk, then we will get equal to dk. It means common difference will be k times d. New series will be obtained with a common difference of k times d, where d is the common difference of the previous series. This is the third law. Now fourth, for the case of multiplications. No, multiplication, division. If you multiply, divide by each and every by each term, divided by suppose k, each term is divided by k, then we'll get the new series, arithmetical series, in which the common difference will be d by k. The common difference of the old one upon k. Old one was the series a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d. Okay. Now we are going to multiply each term by k. Dividing by each term by k. Then it will be a upon k, first term, Second, a plus d upon k. Third, a plus 2d upon k. And fourth is a plus third is 3 upon k. These will be the terms and so on, so on, so on, so on. ठीक है? First term but divided by k, second term divided by k, third term divided by k, fourth term divided by k. Now common difference. Now I'm going to obtain the common difference. It means a plus k, a upon k plus d upon k minus ak will be simply get d upon k. Second, this is first, this is third, and this is fourth. So second minus first, this will be d. Now third minus second, ad upon k, ad upon 2dk, only we will get d upon k. Okay, this will be also d upon k. Second upon third minus second, this will be also d upon k. Same is the case, fourth minus third is equal to d upon k. These are the rule. These are the rule of arithmetical progressions. Two remaining rules are also there, which will be I will discuss in second video. Be continue with me. Keep in touch with me. अर्थमेटिकल प्रोग्रेशन को स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझने के लिए मेरे वीडियो को वॉच करते रहिए, देखते रहिए, समझते रहिए. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Okay, very helpful in your class 11th. Either they are of NCB or NCERT syllabus or CBSE, whatever type of the syllabus is. It is very helpful to you. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck.